It can be really frustrating if you want to play one of your favorite games on your PlayStation 4 and you get an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PlayStation 4 error code that comes up as NP-350-8. First, let's try one of the easiest and quickest methods to try and fix your PlayStation. Unplug the power source from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now be patient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from powering down your PlayStation, so make sure that you try this method. If it works, great. If not, then let's move on to the next method. Second, let's make sure that you're getting internet to your PlayStation. So let's do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi. Find your router that is giving you internet and unplug that for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. When it reconnects, check your PlayStation then. If it doesn't work, then let's go ahead and move on to the last method. Okay, the way to fix this particular error code is pretty much just using patience. This error code occurs when the PlayStation Network is undergoing maintenance. So the only fix for this is to check back again after some time and see if the status of the PlayStation Network is fixed. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.